Have you ever struggled with moving multiple objects in Google Slides without messing up your layout? Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to group objects so you can save time and keep your slides perfectly organized. First, let's select the objects you want to group. Hold down the Shift key and click on each item one by one until everything you want is highlighted. Once they're selected, you have a few options. The quickest is to right-click on any of the selected objects and choose Group from the menu. If you prefer using the menu bar, go to Arrange and then select Group. For keyboard fans, there's a shortcut too. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus G on Windows or Command plus Alt plus G on Mac, and your objects will instantly become one unit. Why is grouping so useful? Once objects are grouped, you can move, resize, or format them together. This makes designing slides much easier, especially when working with complex layouts or multiple elements. You can always ungroup them later if needed by right-clicking and selecting Ungroup or using the same menu options. Mastering this simple trick can make your presentations look cleaner and save you a lot of time. Try it out on your next slide and see the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to practice grouping your objects and take control of your slides like a pro.